So about a year and a half ago, I got a call from a homeowner that was a referral from a networking group that I'm here in Columbia. A homeowner was having some work done on their home from another contractor. Had nothing to do with the issue that they had at the time, but she thought that was a great idea to go ahead and have the rest of the roof inspected. So when I came out, I did my assessment. We went through everything. Did find some errors in the roof that I addressed. Spoke with the homeowner in Ashland and let them know that there is some life left in the roof, but to give me a call and just be mindful that the roof was nearing the end of its life. About 3 months later, I kept that connection with the homeowner, and she gave me a call with a weather event that happened in the Ashland area. Came back out, did an assessment again, did find that there was storm-related damage to that roof out there, got her insurance company involved at her request and helped her through the process, helped educate her with the background of the roof replacement entire ordeal, how my company was going to work, how we were going to help her work with her insurance carrier. She was very pleased with that. It solved her immediate problem, and then also was able to replace her roof at a minimal cost to her, including her insurance deductible at that point. It was, especially in the condition that her roof was at the moment right there. It was a much older roof, so it was just kind of barely hanging on by a thread, but with that storm event, it really pushed it over the edge. She was encountering some leaks, and that was a good time for that to happen for the homeowner to get that roof replaced. The homeowner's goal was, just to ensure that her property and structure was sound. I believe she was recently widowed, so this was something that she was just taking on by herself for the first time. So she was really thankful to have somebody that she could know and trust that was local, that did sit down and visit with her and let her know what to expect and just kind of hold her hand throughout the entire process. I really do. I think the educational process with the homeowner is something that's very important in this. These are large projects that we do when we tear off an entire roof and get it replaced for a homeowner. Sometimes it's the first time that they've ever had that done, so it's something that I want them to be involved with. Obviously, I'm going to keep them on the ground, but I want them to know that that's something that working with a local company, they can always lean and trust on us. So the shingles that we always use, we're an Owens Corning certified company, a platinum installer here in the area for Owens Corning, and that is the specific shingle that we use for this property. Basically, every component that we use for this entire system is an Owens Corning component, so it's going to give this homeowner an entire roofing system instead of Frankensteining different manufacturers' parts together to build a roof. We actually build an entire roofing system for them. Unique challenges on this project, I would say that the homeowner's roof was, pretty steep. It was a little difficult to access, which again is something I think she was concerned about. She did never access the roof herself, but she reached out to us as a trusted local professional, come out here and do the job correctly, noting that we're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we have a good approach to making sure that the homeowner's protected as well as us and the company and our installers when we come out and do a project like that.